kidney is a very precious organ of the body. Its function is to excrete the waste products and urine from the body. Kidney tumors are very common. These tumors can be benign, non-cancerous, or it can be cancer. In cancer, the standard treatment is removal of the complete kidney. However, in small renal tumors, we can remove only part of the kidney which is involved by the tumor. Similarly, in non-cancerous tumors, we always try to save the kidney. In this video, we are presenting an unusual case which came to us in emergency. She was 65-year-old female. She came in emergency from Kanpur and she was in shock. She had distended abdomen and in the past there was no history of any kind of pain in abdomen or any tumor. We admitted her immediately in ICU and we started resuscitating her by giving her the IV fluids and blood transfusion. We did in emergency a CT scan of the abdomen which revealed that she had a large, more than 20 centimeter tumor in her right kidney. By seeing the features, it appeared that it may not be the cancerous tumor. But it was surprising why she had such a big tumor. And when these tumors become large, there can be bleeding inside. So she has bleeding in the tumor. That's why she had got pain and it has become such a large lesion in the body. After the resuscitation, there was a dilemma whether we should do a partial removal of the kidney or complete removal. As I mentioned earlier, kidney is a precious organ, so we always wanted to save. We decided that we should do, before surgery, embolization of the branches of the artery which is supplying the part of the tumor, whereas to save the part of the kidney which was normal. After angioembolization, in emergency, we took her for surgery and we performed a removal of only the enlarged tumor from the kidney and we saved the kidney by doing repair. Her post-operative recovery was very uneventful. In next 2-3 days, she completely recovered. Her hemoglobin improved to 10 gram and she started moving around and eating normally. We discharged her from the hospital after 4 days. She came back after 1 month for the checkup and we found her to be normal. She was very happy because she got a second life. So therefore, it is very important that a correct decision should be taken in emergency situation and we should try to save the kidney as far as possible so that these patients can have normal life span.